Hello friends, how are you? Today in this video, we will learn how to propagate pothos plant from cuttings. This is the easiest way to plant cuttings of pothos, which I am going to show you. Count 3 leaves from the bottom and then cut the stem like this. After this, cut off the bottom 2 leaves and remove them. Now friends, pothos plant cutting is ready for propagation. In this way you can plant cutting of any type of pothos philodendron. Take disposal cup or small pots for planting cuttings. For planting cuttings, take equal amount of both garden soil and sand. Keep the soil moist and keep the pothos plant out of direct sunlight. After few days, now you can see on node part, new growth has started. You can see here.